Hello everybody, this is J-NENIAK and this is for tutorial how to use the USB stick with the Denon DN-S3700. And in this tutorial I will go through how to initialize this stick and how to create the database after we add some tunes on this. So let's put the stick back to this Denon. It's behind this device, the port for this in here. So let's put it there. Like that. Let's see that you see everything I do. Okay. So let's start with changing the USB mode. Now it's in CD mode. I press the USB here and it goes to the USB mode. It's loading. And then I change to the utility mode where I can initialize the stick. So there's a time button and it's also the util. So I press and hold the time button and it changed to the utility mode. Let's try to zoom it more there so you can see better, like that. Okay, so now it says it's on utility mode and it says also that the DB create here, but we don't create the database now because we want to create the correct USB stick with empty space there. And I turn this knob to the right. It's preset data, memo data, and there's the initialize. So I want that. So I press the button, this knob here. It goes to USB format mode. Yes, I want to format and press it again. So now it's in format mode, and obviously you need to change to the OK. So it's asked, do you want to format, cancel or OK? So we want the format, so OK. And let's press this knob again. It starts the formatting. And now we wait a while. Okay, the format is done and it says the USB format completed, and we get back to the browse mode by clicking this time again. Just press it. So okay, now I want to take it away, so well I change to CD mode and let's take it away now. Okay, and then we go to the laptop. Okay, now we are in my laptop and I created a few folders in this stick. I put my own stuff in this J-NENIAK folder and other artists in this other artist folder, and also one tune from Mark Knight to the root of this disk. So we can see how this Denon handles different folders and also the root folder. And the Denon made when we initialized the stick, it made this own folder. It also created a playlist. You have a separate tool where you can make these playlists, and I don't show it in this tutorial, but the Denon made this own folder here, and the database we create will be coming in this DDJ DTPS file. So let's move back to the Denon and put the disk and the stick back in the Denon, so we can see how to create the database. Okay, let's go back to the Denon and put the USB stick behind the device. And now we press the USB button here. Starts to loading the old database, so we need to create the new one. Let's press and hold the time button, so we go to utility mode again. Like that, it says the DB create in the utility mode. We select that by pressing this knob and full create the database and OK. Obviously you can cancel it, but we want to create it. Press OK. And it starts doing it now. Let's wait. Okay, now the database is ready. And now we can go back to the browse mode by pressing the time here. Obviously, if you have a huge USB stick with a lot of tunes, it takes longer. We have only 5 or 6 there, so it's very fast. So we can do it again, but let's press the time button and go to the browse mode. Now we can browse it. It's loading the database now. Now it's ready, so we can go to the browse mode in artist way or album, title, genre, year, BPM, file name or folder. I choose the folder because I want to show how the folders are in this stick. So there's a J-NENIAK, that's my own stuff there. So there's these two tunes I added there. I go back up one to the root level, and I can choose the artist. I put the 3 tunes on there, and also the one in the root level. And I can start playing it by, or select it in the play mode by pressing this. So now it's there. If I want to go back, I press the back button and I choose something from J-NENIAK folder and select the first one. And now it's in there, I can start playing. So obviously if we go up 3 times, we go to this level where we can, for example, check the title. This shows all in all folders, so we can play any of these. Also in artist level, I can choose everything what is in stick. So this was 2 in Enrico files and my own stuff. So in this level it doesn't care in which folder the stuff is, so it doesn't matter. I think this was all from this tutorial. Hope you enjoy it. Please check my channel from YouTube and maybe follow it. Maybe I make some of these tutorials more. So this was J-NENIAK. Peace out.